Bourbon chicken is a really cool recipe. I originally thought that it meant that it had bourbon in it. In reality, it was a man who invented this recipe on Bourbon Street. So being in New Orleans, we better make some bourbon chicken. I'm gonna heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I love cast iron because it heats really well, it holds heat. And then I'm gonna just cut up my chicken into bite-sized pieces that are about maybe a 1/2 inch square. If it's a really moist chicken, pat it dry, because then it's gonna fry really nicely. You are going to salt it. You wanna make sure that your oil's hot, and I can see that it is. You get a nice little sear. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, I highly suggest getting one. They're cheap, they make everything so nice and crispy. But you're gonna saute this for about 4 minutes until you get a nice sear on the chicken, and you're going to remove the chicken. And now you're going to make the sauce. Add the tomato sauce, add the chicken broth. We're going to add coconut aminos. Now, coconut aminos are just like a soy sauce. However, there's no allergens such as soy or gluten, which is found in traditional soy sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of, you could use apple cider vinegar or coconut vinegar. And again, coconut vinegar is just another wonderful apple cider vinegar replacement. And we're just gonna get that boiling. I'm gonna add some garlic. So you're gonna hold your knife and go chop the garlic into tiny little pieces. Now, smashed garlic is much different than a minced garlic. So you want to press against the board and smash it. If garlic is often too pungent for you, try smashing your garlic. That makes it sweeter. It's amazing how the different shapes of foods and how you prepare them make them taste different. And then something that everybody should have in their freezer is a ginger root. Ginger is so awesome, and it gives your Asian food just another little flair. And if you really like ginger, add more. If you want it hot, add that whole tablespoon of red pepper flakes. And then you're just gonna whisk it away. What makes this extra special and tasty is adding some Swerve. And I'm gonna add 1/3 cup. And this is gonna make it taste just like that sweet and sour chicken that everybody loves. Now I'm gonna add the chicken right back to this, and I'm gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes just to finish cooking off that chicken, and it'll get that sauce nice and thick.